Hi everyone, welcome back. So today video I'm going to share with you how to use tools and move key of the TwinMotion. So first of all, I go to the help tab. Then in the shortcuts, I'm going to click the English. Then this will bring you to the TwinMotion sheet for sheet file. Then okay, let me open side by side. Alright. So now I'm going to start from the move forward. So we are pressing W key, so this will be a move forward. Then for the backward, this will be the S key. Then move flat will be A key, and then to move to the right, this will be a D. Elevation up, we are going to use the Q, and then the elevation down, we are going to use E. All right. Then the other tools, that will be a translate. The translate mean, okay, let me press escape and let me click here. Okay, so now I'm going to press the translate number 7. So I'm just press the number 7. So this translate is, we also can see the move key. So what's the tool that we can use when we want to move something. Okay, so for I'm going to press this tree, click this tree. Then now the translate tool is active. Then we can move the tree location, and after that we are going to use the rotation. So now we need to press on the key number 8. So this will be a rotation tool, right? Then we can adjust the tree, and after that the number 9 will be escape. So now I'm going to press the 9. I will click on the tree first, then I'm going to press the 9. So the scale tool is activated. So now I'm going to adjust the tree side. Alright, so after that, let's say in this project I just want to quickly see the item. So now I'm going to click this window. Then I just press the key F. So this will bring you to the very quick movement to your selected item. And after that, this will be G. Now I'm pressing G. This will be a show height helper. Then after that, material picker. So now I'm going to click on the material picker. So once I click on it, then you just need to double click. So now I'm going to double click on the wall. Then here is the material of the current wall. Now I just want to change the wall color to the blue, and then I just click OK. Alright, so in this case, if you want to change back to the previous color, you can just press Ctrl Z for the undo. Alright, so let me close the properties box. Then when you want to hide and hide, we can use the H key. So once you click on it, this will gonna hide. Then when you click press again, this will be unhide. Alright, so after that, so the Z key. Alright, so in this case I'm going to insert the some component. So now I will go to the library. Then I'm going to import insert some item. Okay, so for the gym, okay, so I'm going to use this one, something like that. Okay. So in this case, I just want to rotate this item. Then I'm going to use this rotation. Once I once I use the normal rotation tools, something like this item is collision with the ramp. So in this case, we can use the different tool. Okay, let me control C. All right. So in this case, we can use this toggle logger, or what is it? Then we just click on it. Then I'm going to rotate the item. So in this case, this works pretty well now. All right. So the next step will be pivot. So for the pivot edit, so I'm just click on this item, then when I click on the pivot edit, currently the pivot location is located, can see the center of this item. Now I just move the pivot, then press escape. Then once you click again, the pivot location is relocated. Then if you went back to the normal location, you can just put it back. All right. Then once you stop this current tool, you just press the escape key. Okay. Okay. So now I will continue for the speed. So for the speed, this will be start from the number 1 to number 6. As it mentioned here, number 1 is for the inspect speed. So now I'm going to press the key number 1 because I just want to do the inspect. So this will be a number 1. Number 1 will be very slow speed. Then for the number 2 is slightly fast. Then for the number 3 is something like the walking speed. And for the number 4 will be kind of faster than the walking speed. Number 5 is a driving speed. Then number 6 is a flying speed. It's very fast. Okay. So that's all for the tools of the TwinMotion. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.